tie Otumfo a ono ankasa oka about E11 and this is E11 about the royalties your resources are befa. That means indirectly Otumfo is telling our leaders say Tafrache. Yeah, Tafrache, Jimmy Kakra Ewoho, and I love that about Otumfo. Which me I can say, I didn't say Yetinaho. Or say Norway, even Norway, and yet oil ni biana omudi your friend is saying Dubai, and yet oil ni biana omudi until how come say you what all the resources. I hate mentioning about gold, I hate mentioning about so many things, but especially when I listen, I hear lithium now. They've sold the lithium ahead into Obia Yabewuni and Edeka up to the age of 60 years. That time no assistant president is not there. So when we are complaining, why do you have to come and tell us, hey, sleep, I don't have any job. I know say my pension is there waiting on me. Your Highness Otumfo, I think say 90 number back.
I don't know any the Yemen equity as Mobi. Assassin, I don't know Yemen equity. Na ya royalty ni etu sika no ko na ban wa fa bi ohene no so yema na equity
na ba the royalty so e start de be nya ba na equity be da do na ho na nya settle to che do na so na e ka ho to ne mo e chine bi do wa ka bia no do na so
ana bio za de osika yi ansa na minerals commission be ma concession bi yema ohene na mane no hine no ne won chase ansa na nipa no ko hunu kura ansa na mineral commission o hine ne nsa ahase bia ma mineral commission sa ahase na minister me ba de me kan ma kira mo hwehwe mo.
Yes, thank you so much for watching TV Me Live. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes, inti Otumfo aboni minimum akasa listen. Even equity in the Boyemo Mubi, Otumfo, this present government has been able to squeeze out. Otumfo can even come out and complain. This is somebody who has got everything. This is somebody who has got everything now. Listen, on this Okasa, hey, Minidika, Okasa, I need a drink, Okasa, I need a new house, or anything he needs. But this Otumfo is saying, until I say, land na any dia ye be true adie na equity for your money be but rather ni mo no ye so Otumfo indirectly I love you for that. Who shall catch a say you penny for Jimmy adults and I love that. You're telling us what my encouragement me who say you know very well Otumfo your highness or your board above him. You're telling now I've realized who kasa keke kasa na wo kasa na nkofo pinti ase Otumfo a lot of people omo asem na wo kan na so but now me trasa me ni adwinfo tel omo say wo kasa fi baby na baby a wo kasa fi no ya narrator tell me asem me hu say ebi wo ma e che say ye leaders ni Jimmy and omo Jimmy no because uncle was say as a chief you supposed to receive an equity number. The only thing I am are royalties and maybe the royalties is not enough for you but ask yourself say equity ni scano and if an echo it goes to them, it goes to something for now. Omo ba no mo be wiska, omo ba no mo be fesika, no mo de mom we no, omo de mom girlfriends, omo de mom mumba. Meanwhile, the land doesn't belong to Nana Akufo-Addo. The land doesn't belong to anybody, but rather it belongs to the chiefs. But only my chiefs and you can't talk. It's about time the chiefs should come out. I will never blame Otumfo or Kadia. I'm not happy with it. But if all the chiefs can come out and speak, if all the chiefs can come out and complain by law, said then, and can you say chief complaining? But thank Otumfo saying, Otumfo it me a catch almost say, listen, some will be too oil, they should think about them. Because the money doesn't belong to them. Oh my God. Thank you for watching TV Me Live. And then I can see Kobina Avenue. Okay, Justice FK and was excellent work. 7 General come and support our orphanage program. The group name is Elam. Okay, thank you. Madam Obia Osha. I can see Evelyn. And okay, more Vim, Jehu Bright. Also, I'm following Kra Vim. And yeah, he's in Patimimbo, dear Emma Urenfi. But he wait here, a Bromley Mall. What I say, I just want you to see how beautiful UK is. But all I saw is I was watching, I was on social media, and I realized, your interview, no, any interview. Let me play Kevin Taylor, a summer on also Okai about what your friend is saying. Otunfo Okai.
You know better. You know what I'm talking about. You are even in contact with him more than any of us. Why are you not advising him that he should slow down his lifestyle for the people to accept the situation we are in? But you turn around to come tell us and say, Jenny mum, nipa na yenyi omo so omo nkwa abemu enko ginemu maye na sene be ya yenya president bi ombu nipa
One, you can't take it away from him because we see no papa or cabrofo. This is a chiman or cabrofo. What me who say a chiman we see a brofo or poor brofo one on one never astra but never. But ask yourself the brofo no can is it the same thing and no follow now? Because if brofo no can follow the same thing, I don't think say Ghana will even suffer. Now when you talk about COVID, the Omicron, ask yourself say how advert ahina ye Ghana. Miti say anka by now almost vaccinated 23 million people. Internet just a 7 million. But the moment I don't know when I turn a vice versa said the even 7 million people they don't even know whether vaccine now. We don't know. So now so we are Ghanaian now we call Ghana. Yeah, broche na ya vaccinated na ye wato na me baby. Now when we are going back to Ghana, you do what? Na wo you test you see positive. Meanwhile we say any positive o e be negative. Na force so na when chase car na turn na ma. And then BBC me say I will never blame Akufo-Addo, your president, but I am blaming the people over there. But we see when you blame the people over there, now what for your friend is saying? Because I remember, say before this Fourth Republic, Rollins introduced you in the back, you know. This man, when Omu say Kolebu and performing well, he goes there to discipline them. That is leadership we are talking. Because when you don't do that, and they realize that we are kokra. Anyway, I was told say Ghana Constitution na Troy, time I'm Troy, not Rollins or young. Rollins was or a Bema until when Rollins trust our constitution almost say yes, it's for the youth so that your youth can bounce anywhere. Until Rollins goes to anywhere he wants to go. When they report to him, say listen, GBC is not
government only policy. There be any policy. Into momo de ane say ye kana wa mpenia near the veranda boys ne azoka boys ni mule Jimmy Fono near the omaba near Meska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Jimmy Fo be say Kofi Blay no yellow say mon konko ye away demonstration na wa dwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de wo si we su hu ya wo so wo de wo ye Jimmy Fo wo ye NDC ni Jimmy Fo na we su hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants aye they assemble cars abagana we nyansania me ye nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama into my shop as a Mahama and Kwane bet to me as a Ghana for 4 years. My Jimmy Momo be brema training yajumo. Obia ye minister, why ye MP, why ye vice president, why ye president, once Ghana. Hey, when you serious, I can't 4 years, but. So now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene ye ndiska. President Mahama di oba obechiska ubi abedibi.